Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many data analysts or scientists encounter when working with datasets involving multiple visits to different sites. The issue at hand is how to handle missing values in a specific column, converting them to zeros if necessary, to ensure data consistency. Now, let's dive into the solution for this problem. Using the handy hutilscpp package in R, we can efficiently address the issue with just a few lines of code. By grouping the data by visit, and then applying the mutate_all function, we could check if all values in a column are in A. If they are, the column remains unchanged. Otherwise, the coalesce zero function replaces the in A values with zeros, ensuring a clean and standardized dataset. In summary, we've successfully resolved the problem of handling missing values in a specific column within a dataset with multiple visits to different sites. By leveraging the power of the hutilscpp package in R, we've efficiently converted in-A values to zeros where necessary, ensuring data consistency and accuracy. Remembering, it's always important to maintain data integrity when working with complex datasets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more data analysis tips and tricks.